Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And boy, do I have a treat for you guys today. This is a box that was shipped to us from Getac with the new Getac S510 laptop. It's their semi-rugged, super newest laptop available. And we're gonna unbox it today. So it comes looking like this in this plastic wrap. I'm going to just cut this off, as so. Comes off pretty easy. They had all their cool stickers, must go, the lithium ion warning, shipping label, and of course all of the inventory stickers. So here we are. This is the, looks like the seal right here. I'm just going to do a cut. There we go. And of course, pull this, and voila, we're in. So now I'm going to carefully pull it out. Wow, there we go. Nice. This is the, looks like the manual. There's a stylus in here. Nice bag, plastic bag. Ziploc, no less. And what else do we have in here? We have, this probably holds, my guess is, yep, there it is. We have some parts, the AC adapter, and the battery. All nice and neatly wrapped. That's good. That's pretty much all there is in there, so let's take a look. This is the laptop. I'm going to push this over here. So the laptop is sealed in a foam, this is like foam sleeve, and this is the laptop. Wow, look at that. Man, that's a nice looking laptop. It's got a nice black top. It's Getac written on the cover, but look at this handle. Wow, that's really nice. And I'm going to open it up. It has a slightly different screen holder. Oh, they have a nice screen protector here. I guess this is to wipe it down, but look at this, 15-inch screen. That's beautiful. Look how nice this is. Let's put this back on. Oh yeah, see how the latch works? That's pretty cool. And of course, it has a spot for 2 batteries. The batteries in the box, I'm not going to install those right now, but if you take a look, let's look at the, yeah, look at that. This is, yeah. The port covers are nice. Over here, and over here, here we go. That's the SIM card. And there's some USB ports, HDMI, and that sort of thing. Ah, this looks like the power port over here. Yep, there's the power port. So yeah, so far I'm impressed. This is definitely a really nice laptop, guys. So I'm going to be making some videos as I move forward on, you know, after we put it all together, what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.